अंडर करे हुए आदमी को भी अपॉर्चुनिटी टू हियर है, उसको सुनना जरूरी है कोर्ट को, उसके बाद ऑर्डर पास करना।
ऑलवेज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल थिंग विद कांग्रेस एंड कांग्रेस सपोर्टर्स। कल कांग्रेस वाले भी तबला बजा रहे थे, ढोलक बजा रहे थे जब अरविंद केजरीवाल को बेल मिली। आज चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी कह रहे हैं देखो इनकी बेल कैंसिल हो गई, बड़े मजे आ गए। कल भी सेलिब्रेट कर रहे थे, आज भी सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ बीइंग कांग्रेस विज़-विज़ द आम आदमी पार्टी।
दिल्ली की कांग्रेस सेलिब्रेट करती है, पंजाब की कांग्रेस अटैक करती है।
नहीं, पंजाब की कांग्रेस सेलिब्रेट करती है जब बेल कैंसिल हो जाती है। दिल्ली की कांग्रेस सेलिब्रेट करती है एमसी अब्बास व्हेन अरविंद केजरीवाल गेट्स बेल। Punjab Congress celebrates when the bail is cancelled. So that in itself is a huge this thing of what the merits of the case are. Because Congress, depending on the state, sees different merit in the case.
The merits of the case are as following, Padmaja ji. The fact of the matter, Sanju Verma ji mentions ASG Raju, who's actually the lawyer of ED, like he's some high court judge. He's there to protect ED. His words cannot be taken as judgment or verdict. And very selectively, ma'am, you speak of your counsel. You don't speak of Abhishek Manu Singhvi's points. Anyway, coming to the next point. The fact of the matter, we also need to understand Arvind Kejriwal was not named under the CBI case. He was also not mentioned in the ECIR FIR. But ED has no answers. Raju ji के पास जवाब ही नहीं है. Also, Padmaja, let me tell you, जो Magunta Reddy का नाम आया है इस डिबेट में, Raghav Magunta Reddy, who's a co-accused, based on his subsequent statements, was then Arvind Kejriwal brought to the case. The fact there is vendetta. ED equals vendetta, vendetta equals ED, and ED is nothing but become a dirty tricks department of the BJP. And there we have a spokesperson who's there to defend ED time and again. I think it's high time that we understand that there is a nexus, there is a wrongdoing against Arvind Kejriwal. And I mind you, Delhi High Court in the next 2 to 3 days will give the verdict. He will be out on bail.
Okay, very quickly I want to play out what Charanjit Singh Channi said just for the benefit of our viewers and Varun Purohit, and then Sanju Verma will respond to you. Yes.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਬਾਰਡਰ ਤੇ ਲੜਾਈ ਲੜਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਗਏ ਹੋਏ ਸੀ ਕੇਜਰੀਵਾਲ ਜੀ, ਉੱਥੇ ਜਿੱਤ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਵਾਪਸ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ, ਪਟਾਕੇ ਚੱਲਣ ਲੱਗ ਗਏ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਰਸਤੇ 'ਚ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਅਜੇ ਲੜਾਈ ਹੋਰ ਬਾਕੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਾਪਸ ਬੁਲਾ ਲਿਆ ਗਿਆ। ਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਐ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿ 100 ਚੂੜੇ ਖਾ ਕੇ ਬਿੱਲੀ ਹੱਜ ਨੂੰ ਚੱਲੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਜੰਗ ਜਿੱਤ ਕੇ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇੰਨੇ ਪਟਾਕੇ ਚਲਾਉਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਰਾਤੋਂ ਰਾਤ।
चलो, चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी कह रहे हैं कि 100 चूहे खाकर बिल्ली हज को चली है, इन द केस ऑफ अरविंद केजरीवाल तिहाड़ को चली। संजू वर्मा।
तो चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी की ही पंजाबी भाषा में कहूंगी, चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी ने तो केजरीवाल दी धज्जियां उड़ा दित्तियां ये कह के कि 100 चूहे खा के बिल्ली हज ते चली। और हुण भी कांग्रेस वाले इत्थे बैठ के कहंदे हैं कि आम आदमी पार्टी साडे हितैषी ने। Okay, now let me speak, on the moot point.
I had no idea you were so fluent in Punjabi. Kudos for that, Sanju Verma. Go on.
I speak many languages anyway, because I love learning new languages. But I have to say this, Abbas has been trying to provoke me since the start of the debate. Sanju Verma ji ED की spokesperson है, Sanju Verma ji ED की spokesperson है, but today I will not be provoked. पद्मजा जी के डिबेट्स पर मैं कई बार आसानी से प्रोवोक हो जाती हूँ. Today I have decided आज ये नहीं होगा, ठीक है? Now let me say something to you. When you sit here and say that we should not undermine Judge Bindu, I ask you, how can you be such a big दोगलेबाज और hypocrite? Because 1964 तक तो enforcement directorate एक advisory body थी. Since 2003, the enforcement directorate, while the powers granted to the Central Vigilance Commission, has actually now got the powers akin to a civil court. ED has the powers akin to a civil court. And forget about the enforcement directorate.
Okay.
The CAG, which is a statutory constitutional autonomous body, while Article 147, 148 and 149 of the Constitution has clearly said that there's a 2,500 crore scam, which was perpetrated by the Kejriwal dispensation at the expense of the Delhi taxpayer. तो पहली बात तो ये एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट और सीबीआई को भूल जाइए, सीएजी एक संवैधानिक बॉडी ने भी केजरीवाल की धज्जियां उड़ाई हैं और कहा है कि लिकर स्कैम हैज हैपेंड. माय लिमिटेड पॉइंट इज दिस. आई विल एंड बाय जस्ट सेइंग दिस. Repeatedly today it was discussed whether a bail should be given or not, and whether a stay should have indeed been put on what Judge Bindu did by way of giving a bail yesterday. The final argument of ASG Raju was this: according to section 45 of the PMLA, bail can be granted to an accused in a money laundering case only if two conditions are satisfied. there should be prima facie satisfaction that the accused has not committed the offense.
Okay.
And additionally, he is not likely to commit any offense while being on bail. So whether he has committed an offense or not, pardon me, that is still up for debate. But the fact that he is likely to commit an offense when he is going to be given a bail, there is no doubt about that. But because even when he was an interim bail, he was not supposed to discuss the merits of the case.
Okay.
He said, Delhi walo, mujhe chunav jita do.
Ravi Srivastava wants to respond.
Recorded in the judgment.
Mr. Srivastava, yes, go on.
This is what ED does. They have said it that investigation is an art, and by artistry they can give a lollipop to anybody and extract any statement, and they can put any innocent person in the jail. This is what Justice Nyay Bindu has recorded in the judgment. Have you read it?
Okay, by the way, as far as these witnesses are concerned, let me actually set the record straight on 2 to 3 things. Then Tushar Gupta, I will bring you in. By the way, that ED has said very clearly in the Delhi High Court that this entire assertion of Arvind Kejriwal that none of the approvers have taken my name is false. What have they said? That neither Raghav Magunta nor Sharath Reddy have ever been put any question regarding the role of Arvind Kejriwal, which is why just to say that a person has not taken the name of Arvind Kejriwal does not prove anything, point number 1. Point number 2, for everyone who says that Mr. Reddy is being, given a long rope by the ED simply because he's turned approver. Despite turning approver, ED has attached Sharath Reddy and Raghav Magunta's properties to the tune of 115 crore rupees. And this has been mentioned in the charge sheet against K. Kavita. So that's as far as the, Magunta Reddy is an instrument and he's being given a long rope by the ED is concerned. They have been acted against. Tushar Gupta, your point.
The judiciary will take a call, whatever it has to take, be the lower courts or the apex court, and I think no one will want to contest that. But I want to question the hypocrisy of people like Ravi Srivastava. Yesterday, on a debate on Times Now, we were sharing a panel and he said it's the win of democracy. One should hail the judiciary because it's been fair and square when it comes to Arvind Kejriwal.
And we did.
What has happened today? What has happened today? That the agency is extracting statements out of people, that the case is compromised, that this is art and whatnot. Look, the Aam Aadmi Party and their coterie of supporters need to understand that the health of Indian democracy doesn't depend on your mood swings. Aaj bail nahi mili to democracy khatre mein hai. Aaj bail mil gayi to democracy, long live democracy. Aaj bail nahi mili to dharne pe baithenge. Aaj bail mil gayi to patake phodenge. Pure Delhi par ye ban lagate patake phodne par aur bail ka ek order ke aa jaye इनके घर के बाहर ढोल नगाड़े भी बजेंगे, पटाखे भी फूटेंगे. The hypocrisy here is astounding. You have to respect the judiciary. If you have a case that you feel can be defended in the court, go defend it in the court.
And just to mention that if the Delhi High Court eventually in 2 to 3 days from now does go ahead and give bail to Arvind Kejriwal, it will still be hailed as a major win for the Aam Aadmi Party if it happens. But for that, all evidence must be considered, and to ask questions about why it was not done still remains perfectly legitimate, because remember, we are a democracy even if some people tell you otherwise.